checking whether your Utah market data is fresh in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you where the DABS feed status lives, how to read fresh, worn, and stale, and what to do if the numbers stop moving. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Market Intelligence, Dashboards KPI from your dashboard. Your DABS numbers, that's Utah's Department of Alcoholic Beverage Services, update automatically every night, so there's nothing here for you to connect or set up. This DABS dashboard is where you check that the feed is healthy. If the numbers look old or stopped moving, look at the feed status indicator near the top of the dashboard. It shows one of 3 states. Fresh in green means last night's data loaded on schedule. Worn in yellow means the feed is running late. It usually catches up within a few hours. No action needed yet. Stale in red means it hasn't updated in over a day. The 7-day sales trend below tells you at a glance whether recent days are still landing. If you see stale, tap the indicator to see the exact time of the last successful pull. That almost always means the state's website changed or was down, not anything in your KettleiQ setup. Note the timestamp and reach out to support. Don't re-enter anything by hand.